Hello everyone, this is Jack and I've got a really nice leaf of aloe vera plant here, and I'm going to make aloe vera gel that is so smooth that it does not contain any chunks or pulp. Aloe vera is really good for natural skincare. It's also good for burns and any kind of skin irritation and itching, including bug bites. To get started, first remove the bottom scarred part of the aloe vera leaf. Then remove the thorny sides of the aloe vera leaf. Do this on the both sides of the leaf. Now cut the top narrow thorny part of the aloe vera leaf. At this point, aloe vera gel should be exposed on all four sides of the leaf. Cut the aloe vera leaf into manageable sizes. Use a knife to slice off the bottom leaf from the gel. As you can see, the gel slides off the leaf really well without much effort. At this point, there are two methods to separate the gel from the leaf. The first one simply includes scraping off the gel from the leaf. And you can start using this gel right away. However, this method does contain some chunks and pulp in the gel. The second method includes slicing the gel off the leaf completely from both sides. Add the gel to a blender and blend the gel really well. When the gel is properly blended, add the gel to a desired container. Aloe vera gel is ready for use. You can refrigerate this gel and use it up to a week. And this is it. This is how you extract gel from an aloe vera leaf. Simple and straightforward. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another video.